Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Aussie CAD, I still think this is a wave A, just like I've been saying, but reevaluating this, I think it is probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A of B. I think we need to make an A, B, C down, which would be a B of B, and I think it needs to make another uptrend for the wave C of wave B before it actually makes the bigger wave C. So, keeping that in mind because it is extremely important no matter what time frame you're trading on. Taking it down to the weekly time frame, I think this first push down is a wave A. I still think this move up is a corrective wave B. I still think it is eventually going to make its way down and make a downtrend for a wave C of wave B, just like what I was showing on the much higher time frames, the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame, I still think that this is all correct, and I still think this is impulsive down one. I think this is like a W or an A, B, C, D, E. And the part that really makes me think that is because it's impulsive up, three waves down, impulsive up, three waves down. I think we are most likely in a wave E, probably a wave E of two. We do have Canadian interest rate news, and they are planning on lowering interest rate today, so maybe we will get the end of this correction, and maybe the beginning of a big downtrend for a wave three. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, I think this is most likely, especially if you zoom out a little bit, I think we're in an A, B, C, D, E. Impulsive A, three waves down, B. Impulsive C, three waves down, D. Most likely we're in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave E. If it goes up to the 78% up near this trend line, turns down, breaks structure, that's what's going to prove to me that this is the end of a correction, probably the end of a wave 2, and probably a really nice entry to go short for the wave 3. I think this 5 waves down over here is the wave 1, A, B, C, D, E of 2, and then down for the wave 3. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I think this is likely a 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're probably in a wave 5. We have that Canadian news this afternoon, so if it does go up and do a spike reversal type thing, I would definitely take it as a short. Like I said, it's probably going to be the end of a wave E if that's the case. I would have to see it make that wave 5, like make a new high and then go down and break structure to the downside before I would be prepared to go short, because there's always a chance that it does go up and take out these highs before it actually does push down. So definitely follow structure, definitely pay attention to price, and you should be able to tell when this ends a trend. And when it ends a trend, it's probably going to be the end of an ABCDE correction and probably the beginning of a downtrend for a big wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my trade setups and all my trading sessions. As always, thank you and happy trading.